Hi everyone, welcome back to another session of Dr. Saurabh's classes. Let's quickly read this question. This is from Hacker Rank Aptitude. A container has milk and water in ratio 5:3. If 16 liters of mixture is removed and replaced with water, the ratio becomes 6:5. What was the original quantity? 32, 40, 48 and 64. Let's do this and solve this one. So let total be x liters. Okay, x liters. Milk 5/8 x. Okay, x. Then there will be water will be 3/8 x, because it's 5:3, right? So we have seen it's 5:3. Then comes remove 16 liter. 16 liter, the mixture removed in the same ratio. Okay, so milk removed over here is, we can write 5/8 into 16 is equal to 10. Okay, 5/8 into 16 equal to 10. Water removed, over here, we can write 3/8 into 16 and is equal to 6. Okay, that much we can write. So what is the remaining portions? Remaining, what we can write over here? Remaining portions are milk 5x/8, which is minus 10, and water, then comes 3x/8, 3x/8 minus 6. Okay, so water will be over here, we can write. So now 16 liter added, so it will be, water will be 3x/8 minus 6 plus 16, and the new ratio will be 3x/8 plus 10. Now the new ratio will be 5x/3x, and over here 8 minus 10. Then over here we can write 8 plus 10. Okay, and finally we can write it will be 3/5. Okay, now cross multiply. So after cross multiplication it will be 40. Okay, so that much we have got. Let's check. B is the correct answer.